Welcome to Rome. Just gonna relax.
Cheesecake.
Michelangelo's playground. I have done a little bit of makeup because I remembered I had packed this eyeshadow that I bought from Kiko Milano in London, and I absolutely was looking for an excuse to wear it because it has like this glitter accent, and this dress is a slit one, so it's perfect to wear in a gloomy day like this in Rome. And yeah, welcome to Italy, guys, and let's take you along. I'm gonna be shooting a ton from my camera, like a lot of high quality HD photographs coming your way. Since I work in a magazine now, I'm going to use those pictures in my next issue, so look out for that. I'm in shock. I can't. Welcome to Rome. I'm super excited to take y'all along, especially after this wolf cut situation. And yeah,
प्लीज नींबू को कवर करने दो, लेने तो खराब हो जाएगा।
and I cannot wait to show you.
देखो मम्मी देख तो इसमें कितना देख लिया ना।
तुम्हारा किधर है? ये चेक कर लेना एक बार। हाँ, उन्हें और नीचे वॉचमैन लोग को चाबी मत देना। 2 गाड़ी इधर है, 2 गाड़ी सामने पार्किंग में है। आपको दिया था तो सबका अलग-अलग नाम लिख के।
40 plus
और क्या solution
She
ले
is the best. Found me a solution. My shoes got wet, so I got a new.
All passengers with disabilities, passengers travelling with infants, and passengers requiring special assistance to come forward for boarding.
Our trip literally couldn't have begun on a worse note because our Uber guy has left us. We were literally, all we were doing is waiting for suitcases, and the Uber guy that our travel agent booked has left. Our hotel is about an hour away, so it's up to us on how to go ahead with this.
Grazie mille. Ciao ragazzi.
That's our hotel. Wait to go each there. Honestly, this is the architecture in our hotel. Okay, so those of you who have seen the last Switzerland Iceland series, you'll remember I was wearing my trench coat on the first day because I was wearing like the most basic outfit underneath, and we had gone to the Rhine Falls without taking a shower because we couldn't check in. Same situation today because we're not going to get our room until 3, so we're going to have to wait until then and explore. This is a Chanel flat pack just for 29 euros. It's going to be our new Joe and Juice.
Is that sugar?
No.
No, it's very nice.
I just realized that the rest of our breakfasts are going to be at the hotel, which is your but definitely do come and check out Grand Cafe. We have this ice cream shop called the Gelatis right near our hotel.
ये जूस कितने का है? ये अपने और भी पीते हैं, 5 और 5 का है, मीडियम
We could have avoided paying taxes. I swear to God, this entire thing right here literally feels like Zurich, but now that I think about it, looks like 4th page of my MS का stall है. Homies in Bombay know what I'm talking about. But generally, there's so much relatability in every part of the world. We're getting our usual lemon and pistachio flavors. Which is your personal favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is cheesecake.
Cheesecake?
Yeah.
Which one? Blueberry or
Strawberry.
strawberry? Yeah. Pistachio, lemon. We just got done with lunch, literally all morning.
एक बनाओ ना, बंदे एक बनाओ ना, एक बनाओ। फोन नहीं तो मुन्ना ऐसे मारो, अपने का भाई
So you can actually rent these Vespas and do a tour.
चलो वैसे
Beach candy का माल पहनते हुए मम्मी. The Vespa I told you about.
थोड़ी देर बाद मिलेंगे।
Checking in. So I'm ready and I've already started writing the December issue, which is crazy. Like, at least in the terms of, oh, it is actually raining. It's raining. I will have to be really careful with my camera, but the vacation has officially begun. A few things to note here. So today we had breakfast and right after that we had lunch because our walking tour starts about by 3. So we're going to be ready around 2:45 and leave the hotel by then, which is why we try to, like kind of bulk up and eat as much as possible before. And the avocado, oh my god, there's this place that I showed you earlier in the vlog called Graham's Cafe. It had the best avocado toast, not because of how crisp the toast was, it wasn't. It was quite dewy, if I might add. I watched October on the flight over. But anyways, the salt, it wasn't even paprika. They just used like this really different kind of a salt this time on, and it was delicious. And I think that was the highlight of my day. Like the avocado toast and the orange juice, not the pizza and the gelato. So I know who I've become, but yeah, like when you eat food that makes you feel good, not just like 5 seconds of is sumptuous and you want more of it, not in the unhealthy sense, you're eating right. So we're gonna try not to eat pizzas and pastas every day and limit ourselves to salads, soups and other things that Italians might have to offer. I'm excited for ravioli, spaghetti and all these other things as well. But yeah, that being said,
फलके, इडली के फलके खाना है तो ये खाइए।
फलके।
Okay, it's one of the most romantic places in Rome.
Yeah.
It was realized by Nicola Salvi in 1732. And I think it's the most international place today.
For sure. Honestly, ये तो बीकानेर लग रहा है. Not going to lie. अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा रूम देख लिया. Beautiful, but राजस्थान. नरेंद्र भवन की गली. पापा, ये नरेंद्र भवन की गली नहीं लग रहा. बीकानेर. Just like it.
नहीं।
Currently in Michelangelo's playground. This piece of granite was literally brought from Egypt. Like you can see the transcripts and the deciphering, but it's crazy.
Clouds in the sky, floating up high. Rain starts to fall, sprinkled and all. La 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 la. Water's on the ground, splash with a sound. Puddle jumping here, grinning ear to ear. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Mom and Dad both are trying to entice me.
Storms fade away, sun has its say, bright as can be of the world we see. La 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 la. Thunder cracks loud, scares away the crowd, but then the calm, peace within the palm. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Rainbow shines bright, colors pure delight. Dancing in the groove, now we all move. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
No, very bad. Look. Look. Echo. Finish. Then go out.
But then the calm, peace within the palm.
Yes, all the more.
La 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 la. Rainbow shines bright, colors pure delight.
So this was my tour guide for today, and she was really, really sweet. Can you introduce yourself to my video?
Hello, hello. My name is Maria Sofia from Rome.
And she
Pastiches
also
from
has a lot of art.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's crazy.
I'm managing the art of my father. Hello.
Crazy.